Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to take a closer look at Ritu Varma's fashion choices and see how she effortlessly brings her own unique style to every occasion. Whether it's a flowing gown, a chic pantsuit, or a bold designer ensemble, Ritu's red carpet fashion game is always on point. She effortlessly carries off a range of styles, from classic and timeless to bold and edgy, making her a true fashion icon. When it comes to red carpet events, Ritu Varma knows how to turn heads. She has graced numerous award shows and film premieres, and her fashion choices always make a lasting impression. She often opts for elegant and glamorous outfits that accentuate her natural beauty. But it's not just on the red carpet where Ritu Varma shines. Her off-duty fashion sense is equally impressive. Ritu's casual street style looks are a perfect blend of comfort and trendiness, proving that she can slay any look, whether she's attending events or going about her daily routine. The actress often embraces minimalistic yet chic outfits for her casual outings. She's often seen rocking jeans with a stylish top, paired with sneakers or boots for a laid-back yet fashionable vibe. Her ability to effortlessly mix and match different pieces while maintaining a sense of individuality is truly inspiring. When it comes to ethnic wear, Ritu Varma's choices are a perfect blend of traditional and contemporary. She experiments with vibrant colors, intricate designs, and modern silhouettes, showcasing her versatile fashion sense. Whether it's a traditional sari, an elegant lehenga, or a fusion ensemble, Ritu's ethnic wear choices reflect her vibrant personality. For the special event, Ritu opted for an elegant mint green sari. The sheer fabric of the sari is adorned with delicate stones and intricate butters, creating a graceful appearance. Despite the embellishments, it retains a tasteful allure without appearing flashy. The border, on the other hand, showcases intricate embroidery and silver stones. Complementing the sari, SHR wore a sleeveless blouse with subtle embroidery done in matching threads. Her choice of jewelry included a pair of oxidized pearl earrings studded with pearls and a ring, skipping a neckpiece. To complete her ensemble, she styled her hair in loose, wavy locks and enhanced her look with winged eyeliner and bold red lips. Ritu Varma gracefully adorns an ivory sari from the Elegant Fashion Way collection by Fatima. The sari, made of sheer fabric, beautifully highlights the simplicity and comfort of its lower half. However, the upper half of the sari is embellished with delicate thread butters, adding a touch of elegance. The hem showcases exquisite chikankari work, depicting floral patterns using threads in the same color. Ritu paired the sari with a matching blouse that features transparent sleeves, echoing the details of the sari. Opting for a minimalist approach, she chose not to wear any jewelry, allowing the ensemble to speak for itself. Her hair was styled in a simple braided updo, complemented by kohl-rimmed eyes, a bindi, softly blushed cheeks, and nude lips, enhancing her natural beauty. Ritu Varma's fashion journey extends beyond her personal style. She has collaborated with renowned fashion designers, becoming a muse for their creations. Whether it's walking the ramp at fashion weeks or being the face of exclusive collections, Ritu's association with the fashion industry has been remarkable. The actress' style and fashion choices have also caught the attention of major brands. She has been the face of various fashion and beauty campaigns, showcasing her versatility and influencing trends. Ritu's ability to effortlessly blend her personal style with brand aesthetics has made her a sought-after name in the fashion industry. Throughout her career, the actress has created several iconic fashion moments that have left a lasting impact on her fans and fashion enthusiasts. From attending prestigious film festivals to gracing magazine covers, Ritu's fashion choices have always been the talk of the town. Even while traveling, Ritu Varma manages to look effortlessly stylish. She often opts for comfortable yet chic outfits, such as oversized sweaters paired with leggings or joggers. Ritu's airport looks are a perfect example of how to stay comfortable while still maintaining a fashionable sense of style. SHR often accessorizes her airport looks with a stylish handbag, sunglasses, and a comfortable pair of sneakers, adding a touch of sophistication to her travel style. The actress' promotional event looks are a perfect reflection of her bold and confident personality. She often experiments with a range of styles, from trendy crop tops and midi skirts to elegant jumpsuits and saris. Ritu's promotional event looks showcase her versatility and fashion sense, proving that she can effortlessly carry off a range of styles. She has graced numerous magazine covers, and her fashion choices for these shoots are always on point. She often opts for bold and edgy outfits, showcasing her fashion-forward personality. Ritu's magazine cover looks often feature statement accessories, such as chunky necklaces or bold earrings, adding a touch of glamour to her outfits. The actress' social media looks are a perfect reflection of her personal style. She often posts pictures of her casual yet chic outfits, showcasing her love for minimalistic fashion. Ritu's social media looks often feature comfortable yet stylish outfits, such as oversized t-shirts paired with distressed jeans or cozy sweaters paired with high-waisted leggings. Her ability to effortlessly mix and match different pieces while maintaining a sense of individuality is truly inspiring. Ritu Verma has collaborated with various fashion brands and designers, showcasing her ability to bring her unique style to different collaborations. From designer collections to brand endorsements, Ritu's fashion collaborations have always been exciting and well received. The actress' fashion collaborations often feature bold and eye-catching designs, reflecting her fearless approach to fashion. She effortlessly carries off experimental and unconventional pieces, making her a trendsetter in the industry. Ritu's film festival looks often feature intricate detailing, exquisite fabrics, and breathtaking silhouettes. She is not afraid to take risks and experiment with avant-garde designs, leaving a lasting impression on the red carpet. Like any fashion icon, the actress' style has evolved over the years. From her early days in the industry to her current status as a fashion influencer, Ritu's fashion choices have become more refined and sophisticated. The actress' fashion evolution showcases her growth as a fashion icon. She has developed a keen eye for fashion, always selecting outfits that perfectly complement her personality and the occasion. Award shows are a platform for celebrities to showcase their fashion prowess, and Ritu Verma never disappoints. Her appearances at award shows have always been a highlight, with her fashion choices making a strong statement. Ritu's award show looks often feature stunning designer gowns, embellished details, and exquisite craftsmanship. She knows how to strike a balance between elegance and fashion-forwardness, making her a standout on the red carpet. Ritu Verma's fashion statements in music videos are a delightful treat for her fans. Whether she's donning glamorous outfits or edgy streetwear, she adds her own touch of charm and style to every frame. Ritu's fashion choices in music videos reflect her ability to adapt to different genres and narratives. She effortlessly brings her fashion sense to enhance the visual appeal of the music videos she's a part of. Ritu's fashion moments on talk shows and interviews are an embodiment of her personal style. She often opts for chic and contemporary outfits that exude confidence and sophistication. Ritu's talk show and interview looks are a perfect blend of fashion and professionalism. She showcases her ability to make a fashion statement while staying true to her individuality and the occasion. Ritu Verma's fashion choices at social events are always noteworthy. Whether it's a charity gala or a high-profile party, she knows how to make a lasting impression with her impeccable style. Ritu's social event looks often feature elegant evening gowns, tailored suits, or fashionable cocktail dresses. She pays attention to every detail, from the choice of fabric to the accessories, ensuring a flawless appearance. The actress' fashion choices for magazine shoots are a true reflection of her fashion-forward mindset. She collaborates with stylists and designers to create stunning and innovative looks that captivate readers. Ritu's magazine shoot looks range from glamorous and high fashion to avant-garde and experimental. She fearlessly embraces new trends and pushes the boundaries of style, making her a muse for photographers and designers alike. Ritu's fashion choices at industry events are a testament to her keen fashion sense and understanding of the occasion. Whether it's a film launch or an industry gathering, she effortlessly showcases her style while paying homage to the event's significance. Ritu's industry event looks often feature contemporary and chic outfits that highlight her individuality and personality. She knows how to strike the perfect balance between elegance and trendiness, leaving a lasting impression on the attendees. The actress' fashion choices in brand endorsements are a collaboration of her personal style and the brand's ethos. She seamlessly integrates the brand's aesthetic into her looks, making them relatable and aspirational for her fans. Ritu's brand endorsement looks range from casual and sporty to glamorous and sophisticated, showcasing her versatility as a fashion influencer. She effortlessly promotes the brand's vision through her style, making her an ideal ambassador. Ritu Verma's fashion choices for photo shoots are a testament to her versatility as a model and actress. She effortlessly transforms into different characters and styles, bringing them to life through her fashion. Ritu's photo shoot looks range from ethereal and romantic to bold and edgy. She can adapt to any concept or theme, making each photo shoot a visual treat for her fans. The actress' fashion choices at charity events reflect her compassionate nature and commitment to social causes. She uses her platform to support and raise awareness for various charitable organizations, all while looking impeccable. Ritu's charity event looks often combine elegance and grace with a touch of philanthropic flair. She chooses outfits that not only make a statement but also align with the cause she is supporting. Ritu's fashion choices at cultural events celebrate the rich heritage and traditions of our country. She embraces ethnic wear with grace and elegance, paying homage to our diverse culture. Ritu's cultural event looks often feature beautiful saris, lehengas, or salwar suits, showcasing the intricate craftsmanship and vibrant colors of Indian traditional wear. She adds her own modern twist to these outfits, making them contemporary and stylish. The actress' fashion choices for casual outings are a reflection of her effortless and laid-back style. Even in her day-to-day looks, she manages to make a fashion statement with her simple yet chic ensembles. Ritu's casual outing looks often feature comfortable yet fashionable outfits such as jeans, t-shirts, skirts, or dresses. She pays attention to the details, whether it's the choice of accessories or the way she styles her hair, ensuring a polished look. Ritu Varma's fashion choices for public appearances strike the perfect balance between elegance and contemporary style. She knows how to make a lasting impression while staying true to her own fashion sensibilities. Ritu's public appearance looks often feature chic and trendy outfits that reflect her youthful and vibrant personality. She effortlessly combines different elements and creates unique ensembles that are a true representation of her fashion-forward mindset. The actress' fashion moments at movie screenings are an opportunity for her to show support to her colleagues while also showcasing her style. She often opts for fashionable yet comfortable outfits that reflect her confident persona. Ritu's movie screening looks range from trendy jumpsuits and cords to stylish separates, making her a trendsetter among her peers. She knows how to strike a balance between comfort and style, ensuring she stands out in the crowd. Well, that's all for today's video, showcasing the remarkable fashion choices of the talented Ritu Varma. From her red carpet appearances to her casual street style and ethnic wear looks, Ritu never fails to impress us with her fashion game. We hope you enjoyed this fashion journey as much as we did. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.